In class 11 accountancy, we are on chapter number 4 and we are doing special books, day books, or the another name is subsidiary books. So today I am going to explain you the different subsidiary books, that is sales book. Yesterday I explained you purchase book and say purchase book with columns. Columns of GST. Nowadays, it is compulsory to make the books with GST. And as I explained you, Gyana Agrawal, I explained that if the state is same for transaction, then there will be two types of taxes. One is CGST, another is SGST. And when the state crosses the boundaries of the country, then only one tax is imposed, that is IGST. So yesterday we completed purchase book. Now today we are moving towards sales book. So before that, I am giving you one question. Note down. Prepare a sales book of, note down, prepare a sales book of Gupta Electronics. Gupta Electronics, Kota. Prepare a sales book of Gupta Electronics, Kota. 1st January. 1st January. Sold to R and Company, Delhi. Sold to R and Company, Delhi. Mayur, please note down R and Company, Delhi, 2 AC at the rate of 20,000 each. 20,000 each. Trade discount 10%. Trade discount 10%. Now the next transaction, 5th January. 5th January, sold to S and Company, Bundi. Sold to S and Company, Bundi. 5 fans at the rate of 2,000 each. 5 fans at the rate of 2,000 each. 5% CGST, 5% SGST. This is the question. Sold to R and Company, Delhi, 2 AC at the rate of 20,000 each, trade discount 10%. Then 5th January, sold to S and Company, Bundi, 5 fans at the rate of rupees 2,000 each. Anuj Sharma, please copy it. 5% CGST, 5% SGST. Now we are going to start sales book. Sales book of Gupta Electronics, Kota. Gupta Electronics, Kota. Now make the format as you made yesterday. As you made yesterday. Date, particulars, LF voucher number, bill number, voucher number, then detail, then price or selling price. One column is CGST, another is SGST, then IGST, and then last net amount. Net amount. Now one by one we will enter the transactions. First of all, look at the screen. Date 1st January. Sold to R&D Company, Delhi. So this is 1st January. R&D Company, Delhi. R&D Company, Delhi. You are selling 2 ACs. So you will write 2 AC at the rate of 20,000 each. It means the total amount will be 40,000. Anuj, got it? How that will be 40,000? Because 2 AC at the rate of 20,000 each, it means 40,000. Less trade discount 10%. So 40,000, 10% is 4,000. Now 36,000. Now 36,000. Now my question is, which tax we have to use? We have to impose. Now Noel Joan will give us the answer. Noel, unmute yourself and give me the answer. Which tax we will impose here? Yes, Noel. Please give me the answer.
Ma'am, IGST.
Why IGST, my dear?
Ma'am, because it is transported from another state.
Very good answer. Excellent. To the point answer. Yes, correct. Bilkul. Yes, correct. We have to add IGST and IGST 5% and 5%. So we will put 10% IGST, that is 3,600. Very good. Now make the line, do the total, that is 39,600. First price is 36,000. No CGST, no SGST. IGST is 3,600 and the first column total will be last column, that is 39,600. I am sure you all must understood what the calculation is. 40,000 minus discount, 36,000, add tax. IGST means, okay, I am explaining it. 5 plus 5. IGST means integrated goods and service tax that will be applicable when the states are different, Kota and Delhi, so they impose that. Now we are moving towards next transaction, that is 5th January. 5th January transaction is, got it? 5th January, sold to S&T Company, Bundi. S&T Company, Bundi. S&T Company, Bundi. 5 fans at the rate of 2,000 each. 5 fans at the rate of 2,000 each. So that will be 10,000. Now, no trade discount. So no need to give discount. If it is mentioned, then only we will give the discount. Otherwise, no need to give. Mayur got it? Got my point? Now, no need to give trade discount because according to their terms and conditions. Now, my question is, which tax we have to impose here? Anuj Sharma will give us the answer which tax we have to impose here. Yes, Anuj Sharma, unmute yourself. Yes, please.
CGST and SGST.
Yes, please.
Ma'am, CGST and SGST.
Why CGST and SGST, my dear?
Ma'am, because transportation is made between same state.
Yes, because goods are exchanged or transaction held within the same state. So there will be the imposition of CGST and SGST. So how we will do that? Look, 5%. Separately you will do that. 5% CGST, 5% SGST. Separately you will do that. 5% means 500. That will also 500. Taxes will be added. See, my dear children, taxes will be added while discount will be subtracted. Now we are moving towards last one. Total is 11,000. First is 10,000. 500 CGST, 500 SGST, no IGST in this transaction. So last is 11,000. Then at the end of the day, week, month, it depends on the nature, size, and number of transactions. The businessman will do the total. Now how they will do the total? First column will not be required. 36 and 10, 46,000, 500 CGST, 500 SGST, 3600, that one, and the last column is 50,600. This is the total process of preparing sales book. Note down, Noel Joan, please. This is the question, this is the answer, and the exact way of making subsidiary books, whether that transaction is related with the same state or different states. Okay, see here, that book is of Mrs. Gupta Electronics Kota, and they are dealing with R&D Company Delhi. This is electronic showroom and they are dealing with the electrical appliances. 2 AC at the rate of 20,000 each, 20 into 2, 40,000, 10% trade discount that should be subtracted, 36,000 will be there. Then IGST will be applicable. Why IGST? Because that is from Kota and selling to New Delhi. The boundary of state is crossing in this transaction. So, but how much? That will be the question. The IGST rate is not given. Then how we will impose the IGST? In this question, IGST is not given. IGST means integrated goods and service tax that is imposed by the government when the transaction takes place within two or more than two states. So at that time, IGST is the total of central goods and service tax and state goods of service tax. In that case, 5% CGST will be taken by central government and 5% SGST for state government. So IGST is the total of these two. 39,600, 36,000, 3,600, 39,600. Now, visible? Yes, Mayur? It is clearly visible? Yes. Now 5 fans at the rate of 2,000 each. He is selling 5 fans and the rate of if each fan is 2,000 to Bundi. They are belonging to the same state. So 5 into 2, 10,000. In this transaction, no trade discount is given. So no need to calculate. Now 5% CGST of 10,000, 5% SGST of 10,000, total amount is 11,000, price is 10,500, CGST 500, SGST, and net amount will be same as first. But while we will do the grand total, this is grand total we can see. Grand total is for this column, this, and that. Okay. Now, I'm sure you all